Well folks, it's Bruce here from the Coasters Club and I'm at Lake Brunner out at Moana. Just stunning. Thought I'd come out and see if I could get a shot of the Transalpine coming through Moana. Gosh, I hadn't realised just how much the place has developed. I'm down by the yacht club, just having a look around. Temperature's very hot, and it's pretty clear to me that the drought certainly hasn't broken. So the Lake Brunner Yacht Club, been around for many years. I'm sure it's got people inside there at the moment. This is where the 24-hour race was always run from. Very popular. People like Dave McMillan, Neville Higgs and a few of those older gentlemen spend a lot of time out here, and it's not hard to see why. Quite stunning. Alright folks, from the Lake Brunner Yacht Club, I'm signing out.